Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change settings on Bonkbot on Telegram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first you will need just to have your Bonkbot on your Telegram, and basically to have it, you will need just to go to the Bonkbot setup or website, and you will need just to click on get started so you can be able to have this Telegram link. After that, you need just to open in web, or you can use this also on your mobile app or mobile Telegram app, and you will be able to start using Bonkbot. Basically, after that, you will need just to head to your Telegram and search for Bonkbot conversation or here DM, and basically if we refresh or just click close, since I was on another panel, and from here we can see the settings button. So this is the home page or like the main menu, and from here we will find settings. By clicking on the settings, it will take us to all the settings like general setting. Here you can find the announcements, the auto buy. You can enable it if you want. So as you can see, the auto buy is enabled. You can disable it again. You can have the button buy button configuration, like to have it on the left. You can have many other settings that you can try. So for example, here I will just add one and it will change as I want. So basically, you can also have some other settings like the sell button configuration, the slippage configuration, and many other settings. Basically, after you finish all your settings or managing settings, you will need just to click on close and you will be on your home page. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.